What is up, guys? Ralphie up here, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of Ilog Maria products that I bought from Shopee. Leather balsam and saddle soap. So dumating yung product after purchasing it online about 10 days. So ito, ang hirap mag-unbox kung one-handed. The item was well packed and I did not have any problems with regards to leakage of the leather balsam. So, pasensya na, ang hirap talaga mag-unbox using one hand. Use the saddle soap for cleaning, conditioning, and protecting your leather goods. So the leather balsam actually does a lot of things. Number one, it nourishes. Second, it conditions. Third, it restores. Fourth, it polishes. At the same time, it helps waterproof your leather goods. Bought this product is actually from Shopee, from the seller E12733 to. But if you actually click his profile, it will lead you to Garden to Eden. So and as you can see below, the products are for health and beauty needs, and also for leather goods. So yun. So the reason why I bought these products from Ilog Maria is actually may gagawin akong restoration project sa apat na boots na to that I actually bought from a local thrift store, or in short sa ukay-ukay. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified on these projects. So I hope you like it. Bye.